Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
We have reached Deoria Tal, which is 7,992 feet from the sea level. We are total 16 people who have joined Kalyugi Voyagers for this trip. And there you can see the Himalayas, and there's a snowfall happening. Now just behind the tree we have the Kedarnath temple and the Kedar peak. So once we'll reach there, we'll show you the live footage of the snowfall at Kedarnath. Meanwhile, you can enjoy the serene beauty of this lake. This lake is the water source for many villages nearby, and this water is recommended to drink with a 100% pH level. Here we go towards the Kedar peak. We are scattered here, few Kalyugis are here, few Kalyugis there. 3 going on the top of the hill. There's the entry. It's 150 rupees of cost per person. And here we go. Here is Mohit, Kalyugi, Ballu Kalyugi and Sanchit Kalyugi. And this is Kedar Peak.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon.